So that means you got a long commute. It's going to cost you more gas money to get over there.
Baby, don't check for me.
Hey, Boss Up Babies, y'all ready to take a class? Mama Cutie's offering several. Email me.
Oh, hey, Boss Up Babies. Have y'all bossed up today? Have y'all bossed up today? If you ain't bossed up today, then what are you doing? Because you know what? We the boss up babies around here. And we boss up. We boss up. We get it in and we get it done. Yes, we do. Well, anyways, guys, I got a good topic for y'all today that I've been doing a little research on. And you know, I got to come and share it with my boss up babies. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Mama Cutie. I am a mother of 6 and I am a wife of only one husband. And I got a dog. Matter of fact, I got 2 dogs, 6 baby puppies I just had, and I'm a college professor. So welcome to my channel. While you're here, make sure that you like, give me a nice thumbs up, and put something in the comments that's very inspirational and can help someone else out. So today, guys, I'm going to be bringing to you 4 reasons of why not to buy a house in 2022. So I know some of my boss up babies wanted to get their house in 2021. So they've been saving up their coins for 2022, saying, yes, I got these coins straight. I got my credit right. I'm finna bam, boom, boom, get my house, right? But hey, I'm gonna give you 4 reasons why you might wanna keep on working on that credit, keep on saving them coins, because now might not be the right time to invest in a home. So the first reason is I feel that you should not buy a house in 2022 is because the mortgage rates in the 3rd quarter of 2021 increased by 18%. Yes, you heard it right. 18% increase. And with that 18% increase, what does that mean? That means that your mortgage is going to be high. It's going to be higher than it should be. So if you have a mortgage that should be around $2,000, expect it to be 18% more. If you got a mortgage that's around $1,000, expect it to be 18% more, only because of the increase. All right. So y'all keep that in mind. Keep saving your coins. Okay. Now, the number 2 reason why you should hold up buying a house in 2022 is because the market is very sluggish. It's very sluggish right now, guys. And what I mean by sluggish, it might be hard to find your dream home. And it might not be, but for some people, it's hard finding your dream home in 2022, simply because homeowners are not putting their houses on the market right now because of the pandemic. They just don't want to put their houses on the market. It's slow right now. And so if the inventory is sluggish and there's not a lot of houses on the market, what is that going to leave you with? They're going to leave you with a low inventory of homes, and you're not going to be able to get the home that you like. You might be stuck with features that you really don't like. You might have to do a whole bunch of renovations to get it how you want to get it. So, you know, you don't really have a lot of choices right now because it's really a seller's market. It's not a buyer's market. So, hey, ching, ching, keep saving them coins. Ching, ching, keep getting that credit right. The better the credit, the better your bang going to be for your buck on your mortgage rate. And the 3rd reason why you should hold off buying a house in 2022 is because of uncertainty. You know, it's everything right now with the pandemic, guys. It's an uncertain market. Everything is uncertain. Jobs are not really secure right now. So you go jump out and buy your house, you never know what might happen with your job because of the pandemic. You know, y'all already know the shelves are low with food. Everybody is selling out of stuff with food, everything. The shelves are low. So, you know, so why do you want to put yourself in that situation of buying a new home when you might not be able to pay for it? So, cha-ching, keep saving them coins. This time it's going to turn around. Right now, inflation, everything is higher. I don't know if y'all noticed, but go to the store. And y'all gonna realize that you got the same products that are smaller, but they the same darn price. They the same products that are smaller and the price will increase. I'm like, wait, hold up. Now, I've been buying this same bread for years. And how about the darn bread size done got smaller? Yes. So it's inflation, guys. Pay attention to what's going on in your grocery stores, in the regular stores, all that stuff. Because these are hard times right now because of the pandemic. And the last thing you want to do is go out there and jump into a home where, not saying that you would lose your job, but God forbid you lose your job and then you stuck with this mortgage, you can't pay it, then, hey, you messing up your credit. So my advice is to be still, ching ching, save them coins, ching ching, keep working on that credit. And guys, the fourth and last reason of why you should hold off buying your home in 2022, because of your job situation. You know, everybody now is pretty much working from home. Me being a college professor, I was barely going to the campus. My chairman had me at home teaching my classes. I go to the campus now, but before I wasn't. And we were all scheduled to go back to the campus to teach all of our classes. But hey, they pulled back. You know, everybody, they scared of that pandemic, especially on my campus. They don't want none of that stuff. They don't want none of that. You know, with a lot of students and stuff on the campus, they trying to cut down on the virus and, you know, people just being safe. So they just rather for all the professors teach their classes online. So, hey, you never know. You at home now, you doing your work at home. The pandemic is getting better. It's getting better. So what's going to happen when all the employers say, hey, look, let's go back to the office? Because that was the plan for them to do that in the beginning, was bring everybody back to the office in 2022. But another pandemic hit high and they didn't. So, you know, this pandemic is slowly, you know, getting better. But you never know when they're going to say, hey, look, let's go back to the office. You go back to the office and what's going to happen? They say, hey, look, you're going to have to commute here because situations have changed. I want you over at this campus or this branch or whatever job you're doing. We don't want you here anymore. We want you over there. So that means you got a long commute. It's going to cost you more gas money to get over there, more time and energy. You're going to be home later with your kids and blah, 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 blah. Your whole financial situation unchanged. So, but if your financial situation is good, you got the ching ching, you got the credit, you got everything lined up, and you got that job lined up that's not going to be impacted by the pandemic, move on with your house purchase. Move on with your house purchase. Move on with your house purchase. Congratulations. I'm happy for you. Congratulations. Move on with your house purchase because that's what you could do. But if you don't have it going on like that, wait. Wait with your house purchase. Don't be in a rush to buy your house in 2022. Just sit down and wait and find out what's going on. So that way you won't be put in surprise. That way you won't be surprised by anything. Okay? So just wait and be still. Anyways, thank you, Boss Up Babies, for joining me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And hit that bell, y'all. Hit the bell. So that way, when Mama Cutie posts, you will be notified. Until then, bye.